Hi, this is Tim with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over how long does fire damage restoration take. Fire damage restoration is a multi-step process that varies in duration based on damage severity, property size, and restoration efficiency. Here's a breakdown of the timeline. Restoration phases and time estimates. Fire damage assessment, hours to 1 day. Professionals, PDQ, inspect structural, electrical, and plumbing damage to determine the scope of work. Emergency fire restoration, 1 to 2 days. Boarding up windows, tarping roofs, and securing the property to prevent further damage. Smoke damage cleanup and soot removal, days to weeks. Removing soot and deodorizing surfaces to eliminate harmful soot residues and odors. Fire and water damage repair, weeks to months. Drying out water damage from firefighting efforts, replacing materials, and structural repairs. Structural repairs and rebuilding, weeks to months. Repairing floors, walls, and roofs. Permits and inspections may extend this timeline. Final cleanup and restoration, days to weeks. Deep cleaning, repainting, and replacing finishes to restore the home's livability. Insurance claims for fire damage, weeks to months. This starts at the beginning of the process and will likely continue after the restoration is finished. Working with insurance adjusters to document damages and expedite claims. Conclusion. Fire damage restoration can take weeks to months, depending on the extent of the damage. However, at PDQ, we provide expert fire water damage restoration across North Jersey with top-rated Google reviews, and we ensure fast and professional service. Call PDQ today.